Hey guys, it is Jasmine Mata, aka the Play-Doh Master. So I have this new channel. Check out my original channel, Jasmine Mata. Comment down below comment down below how you put your picture. So I honestly forgot to, and I'm using my phone. So don't tell me how to put a picture on the computer, because that's just dumb. Because I told you, I'm on my phone right now. And I have 4 different kinds of Play-Doh. So whenever I get Play-Doh, or I do a Play-Doh video, I'll have like Play-Doh. But I'll if I have like new Play-Doh, anything like that, or I want to show you guys a Play-Doh creation, I will do a video. So I got 4 different colors here. Here are the 4 colors. I got white right here. Oh, and my videos are going to be about like 5 minutes long. So I got blue right here, red right here, and yellow right here. I don't have much time for each video, so let's get right on to my video. I'm gonna get my, so I got red right here. I'm gonna open him up. So I'm getting it out. Just taking forever. I don't want to waste 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna take that out. So I got this. So I have this big red one. So I only have a little bit of time. So I am just gonna hold him because I don't want to smush him up again, but I'm gonna smush him up a little bit. Smush, smush, smush. And I'm gonna put it back in the red can. Guys, I know it's dark in here, but okay. So I showed you red. Here is white. Right here, I'm gonna smush this up a little bit. Smush, smush. See, it's white. Now I'm just gonna flip that down. And in this video, and me introducing my new channel, check out my other 3 channels, which is Music Maker, The Parade Watcher, and Jasmine Mata, my original channel. Now this is my 4th one. Guys, I don't have enough time to show. I have a little bit of time to show you my last one. So this yellow, smush it up a little bit. I only have like 30 seconds to show you this. So here is my blue, and I'm gonna smush it up a little. It's cute, and I just want to tell you before my 30 seconds are up that Play-Doh is super fun, and you're not allowed to eat it. So, guys, I'm gonna make another video in like 1 minute. So, bye guys. I hope you guys will love this channel, and I hope I get a lot of subscribers. Bye.